Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom VFR. First, ensure your gaming PC meets the game's system requirements. You have a few options for connecting your Quest 2 to your computer. The most stable method is using an Oculus Link cable, which provides a direct, high-bandwidth connection. For a wireless experience, you can use Oculus AirLink or consider Virtual Desktop for potentially better performance and features. Choose the connection method that best suits your setup and preferences. Once connected, you need to set up your PC for virtual reality. Begin by installing the Oculus PC application on your computer. Then, within your Quest 2 headset, enable either Oculus Link or AirLink from the Settings menu. Next, download and install Steam, followed by Steam VR, which is essential for playing most PC VR titles. Confirm that your Quest 2 is properly recognized as a PC VR headset in the Oculus PC app. Now you are ready to launch Doom VFR. First, ensure you have purchased and installed the game through Steam. With your Quest 2 successfully connected to your PC and Steam VR running, navigate to your Steam VR library. Locate Doom VFR and launch it directly from there. Once in the game, you might want to adjust some in-game settings to fine-tune your experience and achieve optimal performance. To ensure the best possible experience, consider these optimization tips. If using a wireless connection, always use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for reduced latency and better bandwidth. Close any unnecessary background applications on your computer to free up system resources. Experiment with Doom VFR's in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Finally, always keep your PC's graphics drivers updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.